Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and waiting 2 minutes so airbag capacitors discharge. This prevents accidental deployment. Once done, slide the seat fully forward and recline the backrest to expose the rear rail bolts and trim clips. Remove the plastic sill covers and trim pieces. You'll see electrical connectors and the 2 rear rail bolts. Make sure to unclip and label each connector. This avoids confusion when reinstalling and prevents strain on wiring harnesses. With the connectors labeled, support the seat so it won't tip when bolts come out. Have a helper steady it. Loosen and remove the 4 rail bolts, usually 14 millimeters, starting diagonally to relieve tension. After bolts are removed, unplug the seatbelt buckle sensor, airbag connector, and power seat plugs. Secure each with tape and keep connectors accessible. Once freed, tilt the seat back forward slightly to clear carpet retention clips. Then lift the seat straight up and out of the cabin with your helper to avoid scrubbing trim. For the rear cushion, fold the front seat forward and pull the rear seat bottom up to release retaining clips or remove the visible bolts. Lift the cushion out toward the center. Once seats are out, inspect electrical connectors and clean any dirty contacts. Store all bolts and trim in a labeled bag so reassembly is straightforward. When reinstalling and reconnecting the battery, test seat adjustments and airbag indicator. If the airbag light stays on, make sure the airbag connector is fully seated and battery was disconnected long enough.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.